If you want to add Fingerprint to Redmi Note 15 Pro and 15 Pro Plus, then in that case you want to open Settings. Next we're gonna scroll down in order to find Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and tap on Fingerprint Unlock. Keep in mind that in order to set up the fingerprint sensor, we need to have a screen lock password. So if you don't have one, you'll have to do that first. So let's go ahead and do so. Now we're gonna enter the screen lock password. We have the screen protector tip, which of course informs us that screen protectors may interfere with the fingerprint recognition. Over here we have our fingerprint scanner, so now you can just touch it with your finger, with the one that you actually wanted to use, of course. So in my case, I'm gonna use the thumb, and let's go ahead and touch and then lift your finger a couple of times. And every time you touch the sensor with your finger, try to do this from different angles. So every time, try to hold it from a different angle. I mean, touch it from a different angle. There we go. You want to touch and hold it for a couple of seconds. Try to also press with the from different sides and different edges, of course. So from different angles to make sure that the finger is fully scanned. So later on you avoid some issues with recognizing the finger. All right, so we're gonna tap on done over here once you are done. And there we go. That's pretty much it. And as you can see, we have some bunch of different settings that you can also use. If you want to, you can also add another fingerprint in case you want to scan multiple fingers. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.